Hey, hi everyone, this is Vinisha, and in today's video, we're going to see how to use the between operator in the database V2 connector. So let me just go ahead and show you the use case, what I'm trying to achieve here. So I have a contacts DB table, and these are all the records in it. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to delete certain records where the department is sales, and I want to delete only the records wherein the age is between 40 and 45. So let's go back to Boomi and try to achieve this use case. So here, firstly, in your process, you're gonna have to use a message shape and try to put in your query, and you will have to parameterize it with the required values, whatever you're looking for. So here, delete from contacts where department is sales and the age is between 40 and 45. So this use case, so you can try to use this approach when you want to pass different values for a single column. So here, for the single age column, we are trying to pass two different dynamic values. So that is when you'll have to follow this approach. So click on OK, and let's go ahead and configure our DatabaseV2 operation. So we're going to perform a delete operation. So the action would be delete. And let's just select the connection and try to create the operation. So here you'll have to select the standard delete and use this enable SQL query field. Just check this checkbox and click on next. So select the contacts table, click on next. So this is now done. So I'll save. So we'll be using the SQL query field and passing our query from the outside, like dynamically. So just close this and click on the parameters. Select the SQL query field here, and we'll set it to the current data. So remember, the query will be coming up from the message shape here. So click on OK and just add a stop shape, and we're good to execute this process. So let me just verify the parameters. Okay, 40 and 45. So yeah. Once our Boomi process is executed, we will see that these two records should be affected. Let's go ahead and test this process. So this is now done. So rows affected too, and the status is successfully executed. So this is the query which went in. So we have used the dynamic parameters and form this query. So this is now successful. Let's just go back to database and rerun the select query. So there you go. The sales records are deleted within this age range. So this is how you perform the between operation condition. I hope this information helps, and thank you for watching.